You've probably heard a lot about artificial intelligence lately. Did you know that freight railroads have used AI for decades? It's built into a lot of the tools freight rail employees use every day, helping keep themselves, the network, and American communities safe. Here are a few examples. Trackside sensors capture a lot of data as trains pass by, including wheel profiles, wheel impact loads, the acoustic signatures of bearings, and the temperatures of bearings and wheels. To guard against wheel failures, AI learns the early signs of what wheel failures look like and flags problems before they happen. Onboard sensors stream engine and performance data to teams in centralized locations. AI compares that data to past failures to predict maintenance needs before locomotives break down. AI analyzes drone imagery to help inspectors get a closer look at cracks or erosion on bridges, and to survey track areas for problems like standing water from blocked culverts or storm damage. Locomotive engineers use onboard energy management systems that have AI, which recommends more efficient throttle and braking strategies in real time based on terrain, train makeup, and speed. 360-degree high-def cameras scan rail cars as trains pass through inspection portals at speed. AI learns what damaged wheels and components look like and automatically flags defects to be inspected and fixed. Together, these AI systems help freight railroads predict problems, improve safety, and move goods more efficiently.